discuss interpolation with unequal intervals. We have discussed interpolation with equal intervals already. Today let us discuss interpolation with unequal intervals. If the given data is such that the values of x in it are not equally spaced, then we cannot use Newton's forward and backward interpolation formula. In such cases, we have the following two formulae. One is Newton's divided difference formula. Second one is Lagrange's formula. Divided differences, let us try to know here. Suppose we have a set of values f of x0, f of x1, f of x2 and so on up to fxn of a function fx corresponding to x is equal to x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn, which are not necessarily equally spaced. That is, the difference between two conjugative values of x need not be equal. We have the following definition and notations. First one is f of x1 minus f x0 divided by x1 minus x0 is denoted by f of x0 comma x1, and it is called the first divided difference. Similarly, fx2 minus fx1 divided by x2 minus x1 is denoted by f of x1 comma x2, and it is called first divided difference. Third one, if f of x1 comma x2 minus f of x0 comma x1 divided by x2 minus x0 is denoted by f of x0, x1, x2, this is called second order divided difference. In general, f of x1 comma x2 comma x3 and so on up to xn minus f of x0, x1 and so on up to xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x0 is denoted by f of x0 comma x1 comma and so on up to xn. This is called the nth order divided difference. These are the notations. F of x0, x1, f of x1, x2 are the first order divided differences, whereas f of x0, x1, x2 is called the second order divided difference, and this is called f of x0, x1 and so on up to xn is called nth order divided difference. Okay, let's have one. We have one example. Construct a divided difference table for the data x fx. X is 1, 2, 4, 7, 12. The corresponding values of fx are 22, 30, 82, 106, 216. Now find the divided or write down the divided difference table. So in the first column you write the values of x and call them as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Next, in the second column, you write fx0, fx1, fx2 and so on, fx3 and so on, fx4. And then in the first column we write first order divided difference. In the second column, third order, second order. Third column, third order difference. Next, fourth order divided differences. Okay. So the values of x are given from the table are 1, 2, 4, 7, 12, and you can observe these are not equally spaced. They are not equally spaced, and the corresponding values of fx are fx0 22, fx1 30, fx2 82, fx3 106, and fx4 it is 216. And in order to find the first order difference, as usually in the forward and backward difference table, you have to subtract this 30 minus 20 divided by 2 minus 1, and it is nothing but f of x0 comma x1, first order divided difference. Next, 82 minus 30 divided by 4 minus 2 is equal to 26. This is nothing but f of x1 comma x2 it is. Similarly, 106 minus 82 divided by 7 minus 4 is equal to 8. This is nothing but f of x2 comma x3 it is. Next, x3 comma x2 comma x3. Yes, it is right. And next, 216 minus 106 divided by 12 minus 7 is equal to 22. And this is f of x3 comma x2. Right? Next, the third order difference, same type. In the case of Newton's forward difference formula, it is 26 minus 8 divided by 4 minus 1, which is equal to 6, and it is denoted by f of x0, x1, x2. And similarly, this one, 8 minus 26 divided by 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 it is. This is equal to minus 3.6. It is with the negative sign. This is nothing but f of x1, x2, x3 it is. Next, 22 minus 8 divided by 12 minus 4. This is 1.75 and it is denoted by f of x2, x3, x4 it is. These are the corresponding second order divided differences. Next, minus 3.6 minus 6 divided by 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. It will give you minus 1.6. This is nothing but f of x0, x1, x2, x3. Okay, third order difference. Next, similarly, it is 1.75 minus of this minus plus 3.6 is equal to by divided by 12.2 is equal to 0.535, and this can be written as f of x1, x2, x3, x4 it is. Yes, similarly, 0.535 minus of this minus it is plus 1.6 divided by 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 is equal to 0.194, which is nothing but the fourth order difference, which is denoted by f of x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. In this fashion, we construct the divided difference test. Okay? Yes, let's go to the next example here. See here, Newton's divided difference formula. If f of x0, f of x1, f of x2 and so on up to fxn be the values of a function fx corresponding to the arguments x0, x1, x2 and so on up to xn, which are necessarily not necessarily equally spaced, which are not necessarily equally spaced, then the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula or Newton's general interpolation formula is this: f of x is equal to fx0 plus x minus x0 into f of x0 comma x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into f of x0 comma x1 comma x2 plus and so on, x minus x0 into x minus x1 and so on up to x minus xn into f of x minus xn plus into x minus xn into f of x0 comma x1 comma xn. This is called the Newton's general interpolation formula. Using this, you can work out these examples. Using Newton's divided difference formula, find y for t. Given that y35 is equal to 1175, Y 35.5 is 1280. Y 39.5 is 2980. Y 40.5 is 2420. These are the given data. With the help of this, we wanted to find Y40 using Newton's divided difference formula. Okay, let me solve this example here.